Hello everyone, and my name is Giver. In this video I will show you a little bit about uh, how I implemented this project task about a website for searching and reviewing books for the CS50 class. So first I will show you a little bit about the web page, how does it work. So I have Flask running here. I will open it. Yes. So this is the first page with the login form. I will register first with a new user. So the email is optional, but I wanna write it anyway. And a password. Okay, I will sign up. So this will look in the database. If the user does not exist, it will create a new account. So now I will log in with a new user. Okay, so this is the third page, the searcher. So I have a message here. It says welcome Maxwell. This will change with the user. I have a search box here and a logout button. So for example, I will look for a book, Dan Brown. Yes, so here I got the results. I put a max 20 results for search. In the results we have the name of the book, the ISBN, the author, and the year of publication. The same for all the results. I'm going to enter to this book, the Da Vinci Code. I click in more info. So this is the review page for a selected book. Here we have the ISBN, the author, and the publication year. Also, we got the information from Goodreads. Search for this ISBN. So I got the same result, and here it says I has 1,867,000 ratings. So it's the same, and it also has a average score of 3.85. The same here, 3.85. So after that we have a form where I can rate the book. For example, I'm gonna put, I don't know, a 4 out of 5. I will write a small review. And then I submit it. So after I submit the review, I can no longer add another review, and it showed me all the reviews that I got for this book. Have my username, my rating, and my comment. For example, if I look for a book, for example this book, I had other users write a review. So here it will show me all the reviews that other users have made to this book. Okay, and I submit it, and there we have it. So my comment will always show first and highlighted. Here we have the name, the rating, also the name or rating of other users. We have the ISBN, the author, the publication year, the rating, and the reviews. And below we check with Goodreads. So here we have an average rating of 3.71, and also the number of ratings is 24,000. That's correct. So if I log out and I try to access, for example, the search, it won't let me. I have to log in first. Also, the search box is disabled. So if I would like to check for the API part, here I have the ISBN number. I will go to the web page, API, collocate this number, the ISBN number. So here it says the title, the author, the year, the ISBN number, the review count, and the average score. So here we have 3 reviews and 4.3 average. So if we can check, so we have 5, 5, and 3, and also 3 reviews. So that's it for this project. I think I show all the requirements. Thank you for watching. So that's how the website works. Now I will show you a little bit about the code so that I make for this to work. So here we have the import part for the modules and the libraries. You have the index function, basically for the login part. Also the validation of the inputs. Here we have the register function, also validating the inputs and checking if the user doesn't exist already. This is for the search page. It also uses as a like, so we can find every similarities. The last part is the review. Here we receive the work ID. We read from the databases the reviews from the review table. Also, this part is for the communication with Goodreads and importing the data, no? And here we have the API function for the API request. For the data request, we have to pass in the ISBN number, and this is the result. A little bit about the pages. I have a layout, is the HTML. We have the style sheet, and this is all the divs for display of elements, combined with some Jinja functions as conditionals. So basically the header is the same. I just change the body content. In the index page we have the form for the login. In the register, the form for the register. So in the search we have to display the books that it was found, if any. Also put the button for more info, no? And that sends me to the review page. So here in the review page I have most of the divs for displaying the different elements, the images, the review form, and also the previous reviews. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.